Hey everyone, welcome to my new video. So, what is the agenda of making this video? So, we all know that many of us, or almost everyone who is watching this video, has dreamed one time in his life or in her life to start a YouTube channel and start earning money. But guess what? 90% of you has never dared to start a YouTube because you lack confidence, because you lack skills, because you are afraid of showing your face on YouTube to in front of thousand people, in front of millions of people. So let me tell you one thing. When you start your YouTube channel, you will start with zero subscribers. You will start with zero views. You will not get enough reach, and that is a real demotivation which comes into your brain that why am I all doing this? I am putting so much effort in shooting video, then editing it, then making thumbnail, then putting my time to upload it, then putting my time of checking my phone every hour that oh I have got zero views. Next hour I got zero views. Next hour I got one view. Your first 100 videos will not work out. Even I am making my videos, still I am not getting so many things that I want, but I am still working hard because I know that someday my YouTube channel will also work out. So the agenda of today's video is why you should start a YouTube channel. So the first thing that you will get is confidence. When you start recording yourself on every 2 to 3 days speaking on camera without any script, I didn't make any script, I just got idea of this topic that I should make video on this, and I just opened my phone, set up in front of me and started recording. So it will give you confidence of speaking to yourself while looking at camera and thinking that thousands of people will see your video when you will upload it. Second is the way of communication. It's normal that you will fumble in first of your 10 to 15 videos, but then when you start making your videos on regular purposes, you will start noticing that you are becoming more fluent, you are becoming more good at delivering your thoughts to the people who are behind, who are watching this video behind the screens. So these are the two things that you will learn. First is the confidence, and second is the communication skill. Now the third skill that you will learn by making videos on YouTube is that you will start learning those skills which will make you money even if you quit the YouTube. Those skills like video editing, thumbnail making, sound effects using of AI to write your script, to create better thumbnails, to create better sound effects. You will get the knowledge of typography. You will get the knowledge of where to use the motivational music and where to use the sad and sooth music. So you can make the viewer stay and watch your video come till the end. So these are the core skills that you are going to learn in this YouTube journey by making videos on daily purposes, or even if you are uploading one video per week just like me, that's also enough. But just start making videos on YouTube because it will even create your personal brand. So that's all for this video. If you want to know anything about these three skills or how to build a personal brand, comment down. I will make next video on that topic. Okay.